What do you do when it's just you, small camera, no gimbal, no tripod, nobody to help you switch a battery? We need to create the content, no matter the circumstances, no matter the obstacles. So now I will show you how I use the A6500 $50 lens, flashlight, one battery, one card to create this video. I shot this entire thing in 10 minutes. So the first take that I normally do, the shutter speed will be adjusted properly. I try to shoot the wide shots, the smooth shots. Now as we go to the second take, the frame rate is 60 frames per second. I just wanted to capture that middle range energy. My third take, which is a bit wild, but this is for a reason. It's going to be used in bits and pieces to accentuate his punches and the gym itself. Man, I wish my moves were like that. I should go there. Subconscious.